mu myaka 3 ishize y'amashuri ya pre-primary ariyo amashuri y'incuke.
Welcome to our graduation 2024-2025. I'm going to talk. Good morning, our parents. Good morning, our leaders. Good morning, our parents. Good morning, our teachers. Good morning, our friends. Today is a graduation ceremony. We are very happy for this day. My name is Ethan Paul. My name is Kishonetarian. My name is Umiza. My name is Randra. In top class, thank you for this opportunity for completing our studies in a pre-primary.
Muhammad.
Hello everyone. My name is Rakosa Gaira. I am a girl. I'm 5 years old. I'm studying children culvin school in top class. Thank you for this opportunity. Today is our graduation for completing all studying in the primary.
Merci.
I'm ready to continue in the primary. My aim to get success all the time. My dreams to be a soldier when I grow up. Thank you. I love you so much.
Merci.
Bonjour, chers parla. Bonjour, mes autorités. Bonjour, mes amis. Si je suis, c'est pour déclamer un poème intitulé Aux familles. Poème. Aux familles. Papa, maman. Oh, papa, oh. Aux familles, c'est que assez haut. Papa est le chef de la famille, maman est la maîtresse de la maison. On nous donne à manger et améliorer notre vie. Maman, notre côté, j'aiderai ma famille. Green color. The only natural color on the whole world. The first difference, green color. It protects natural environment. It's renewing, refreshing, regenerating. It presents the color, grow, running, and harmony. Green color covered everywhere. They are all green. I'm going to talk about the importance of water. We need water to wash our face. We need water to clean our hands. We need water to cook a food. We need water to drink. Wash our face. We need water to clean our hands. We need water to brush our teeth. We need water to dig.
No, disco.
Wash our face. We need water to clean our hands. We need water to cook food.
Let's repeat again. We need water to
We need water to
clean our hands.
need water to clean our hands. We need water to clean our hands.
Brush your
Brush our teeth. Good food.
We are going to play in Kinyarwanda, French, and English. Let's start in Kinyarwanda. That's what goes through Mijuru.
Data twese uri mu ijuru, izina ryawe ryubahwe, ubwami bwawe